Alright, Old Man Reviews here, and I'm working my way through Spider-Man for Nintendo 64, and I have to destroy the symbiote generators, and if I don't destroy them quickly, there are too many symbiotes for me to deal with. Well, that should have got me there. Last one, I think. Oh, nope. I like how they show the symbiotes here with a pretty decent muscle tone, considering that
adding this to my webbing will make it burn.
They're not human. They just melt when they're... Alright, so let's see. Fire and sound are your main weapons, of which got the magnesium, but the sound thing is
Webbing doesn't seem to work on these guys.
oh, come on. There we go. Don't fight them when you can destroy them. Alright, that's the way out up there. Yeah, getting a little low on health there, buddy.
There are more downstairs.
Yeah, shoot in the wrong... There's magnesium to your left. Okay. Let's get that before we go anywhere. Alright, and then this is the way out. Thanks for watching.